Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine, so make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's begin. I like starting off my routine with the Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, and what I really like about this is the milky cream texture and the gentle formula. It really helps restore the skin and retain essential moisture, leaving my skin feeling really comfortable and hydrated. To moisturize my lips, I like using the Sugar Honey Tinted Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15 because it protects my lips from the sun and it really helps nourish my lips and leaves it with a really pretty warm nude tint. Another great alternative is the Tarte Quench Lip Rescue Balm in the shade Nude. I really like that this delivers intense hydration to my lips and just makes it look super juicy, and I like the subtle color that it gives my lips. The only drawback is that it doesn't have SPF like the other one does. So next up is my Missha Time Revolution, the First Treatment Essence. I love this because it has fermented yeast extract that helps plump the skin, refine texture, and reduce pigmentation. It also has niacinamides to brighten and clarify the skin. The other toner that I've been really loving is the Pixi Rose Tonic because it minimizes redness and calms the skin, and it's also really hydrating. So I like using the Shiseido facial cotton pads to apply my toners. The pads are extremely soft and they're a gentle way to apply any liquid products. I like that it absorbs really well, but it also doesn't tear like normal cotton pads do. So I really like these. They're a little bit expensive, but I think that they're worth every single penny. And now I'm just going to go into a demo of how I tone. So I like to start off with my problem area first, which is around the nose. I just like to get rid of like any redness, blackheads, whiteheads, oils, dirt, anything that is over there. And then I'm going in upwards motions, kind of applying the toner everywhere, trying to get rid of any excess dirt, impurities, makeup, anything. And you'll be really surprised what you see on the back of the cotton pad when you're done toning. It's crazy, but it's amazing and it's a great way to cleanse. So make sure you're toning if you haven't already started. To rejuvenate the outer layer of the skin, I like going in with a face mist like this one, the Missha Time Revolution, the First Treatment Essence Mist. I like this one because, again, it has fermented yeast extracts, but it also has a really ultra fine mist, so it distributes the product really evenly. And after I spray it on my face, I like to just pat it in just to kind of plump the skin and just to make sure that my skin absorbs all the product. So the other mist that I really love using is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. I really love the smell to this one. It smells like a citrus dream, and I really love that it has antioxidants in it to really help hydrate and refresh my skin. The spray bottle on this one isn't as good and fine as the one before, but I still do really like it. And again, just patting in that excess mist to just make sure that my skin absorbs it and kind of just to help plump the skin. So now it's time for me to apply my serum, and I've been loving the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum because it brightens, firms, fights signs of aging, and it's also very hydrating. I love that this formula absorbs quickly to the skin because it's oil free. I also really enjoy the citrus scent that this one has, and the texture is really nice and silky, so it glides beautifully on the skin. I also really like that it leaves my skin looking really healthy and glowy, and you guys know I'm all about that glow. So having the vitamin C in it and the age defying factor makes this one of my favorites for the morning. So to apply this, I like to play the piano on my face to distribute the product all over, and then I'll gently massage the product onto my skin, and I just feel like this is the best way for me to apply it. And I don't know, it's kind of therapeutic for me and I really enjoy it. So a good rule of thumb is when you're applying your skincare, apply the thinnest to the thickest. So we started with the essences because they were a very thin liquid, and then this is a serum, so it's really nice and lightweight, so that's why this is going on before the creams. And here you see me patting the product into my skin, and again, this just really helps plump the skin, but it also helps the product absorb into the skin, so that is why I like to pat in the product. So the other product that I enjoy using as a serum is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is actually a lightweight moisturizer, ideally for oily skin types, but I have dry skin, so I enjoy using this as a serum because it has a really nice bouncy gel emulsion texture that feels really cooling to the skin. I really love how radiant and juicy my skin looks after applying this. It's just a really good boost of radiance and glow, and you guys know I'm all about that glow, so of course this is one of my faves, and I'm just gonna apply it like I applied the serum before, playing the piano on my face and then gently massaging it into the skin and then patting the skin. So this one I really love, and if you have dry skin, I recommend using this as a serum, and if you have oily skin, then you can use this as an all-over moisturizer. And if you couldn't already tell by the name, it also has a wonderful watermelon smell to it, which I also really enjoy. So I don't use this every day, but today I'm using this instead of my eye serum. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrogel Eye Patches. I like that it has caffeine to depuff around the eyes, and it also diminishes the appearance of dark circles. It's also very hydrating and moisturizing under the eyes. It's very cooling, so I feel like it wakes me up in the morning, so that's definitely something that I need. So after putting it on, I like leaving it on for around 15 minutes. And when that's up, I take it off and I pat the rest of the serum around the eyes and then go in with my eye cream. My favorite eye cream to use in the morning is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream because it brightens under the eyes and it's also very hydrating. This was actually inspired by the makeup artist must-have banana powder. So it has a sunny yellow pigment that instantly brightens and color corrects the eye area. So that's what I really love about this product. I also love that it has vitamin C, and because of that, it smells very nice and citrusy, so I really enjoyed that as well. So what I like to do is apply a small amount under the eyes and then pat it in with my ring finger, since the eye area is so delicate and the ring finger is supposed to be the most gentle finger of them all. So I just go in patting motions instead of rubbing and causing any wrinkles. So just gently pat the eye cream around the eye area and take your time. So you can kind of just plump around that area, and it kind of helps depuff in my opinion. So this next product I've been so excited to talk to you guys about because I have been absolutely loving this product in the few months that I have been gone from YouTube. This is the Make Prem Hydrate Me Micro Tension Gel Cream. This is incredible. It is a rich gel to cream formula, and it really helps plump your skin with hydration, giving you a really nice youthful radiant glow without feeling at all oily. And I just really love this formula. It has a really nice fresh scent to it, nothing too artificial. I am just like crazy about this product, and like I really believe that everybody just needs to try it for themselves. So I personally think that all skin types can benefit from this product because it has a really nice consistency to it. If you have oily skin, you can apply less, and if you have dry skin, you can apply more like I am. I like to just massage the product into the skin gently, and then after that, I like to pat the product into my skin to really plump the skin and penetrate deeper into the skin, making my skin appear more elastic and plumped. After doing so, you can see that my skin looks so healthy and so glowy, and this is why I have been loving this product so much. Alright, so now it's time to talk about sunscreen, and I think everyone should be wearing sunscreen every single day. This is my favorite one. This is the Neogen Daylight Protection Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA+++. What I like about this is that it doesn't smell like your typical sunscreen. It has a fresh natural scent, and it wears well under makeup all day, leaving no white cast, and I like that it's very moisturizing without feeling greasy at all. The sunscreen I use when I know that I'm going to be playing sports and sweating, or I'm going to be outdoors, is the Missha All Around Safe Block Waterproof Sun Milk. It has SPF 50 PA+++. This one has a soft matte finish to it. It wears well under makeup, and it doesn't leave me with a white cast or feeling greasy. Now, I don't typically mix my sunscreens, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to apply both of them so you guys can see how they look on my face. So I like to play pianos on my face and then gently pat the sunscreen into my skin, just making sure to apply it everywhere so I am covered and protected from all the UVA and UVB rays and all that sun damage. And that is my last step for my morning skincare routine before I start to prime and do my makeup. So this is what I'll do with or without makeup. It's a really nice way for me to have a great base to start off the day. So you can see the before and after and look at how glowy I am. I just look so much more radiant, so much more healthier. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below if you guys have any video requests or any questions about what I talked about. Take everything that I said with a grain of salt. I am not a professional on this. This is just my skincare routine. I have been asked so many questions, what skincare products I use and what skincare products I love. So I thought that today I will show that to you guys since it's such a highly requested video. Make sure to follow me on my other socials and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!